Hi dear, in this video I want to talk about the Kisan Andolan and one of the Lucha Gunda Badmas, the richest man of India, one of the richest men of India, RAKESH. This man is looking for an opportunity by influencing the innocent farmers who are really in miserable condition in India. Narendra Modi government is trying to help these farmers by reforming their laws and regulations so that they can have better approach to earn some more money. But these political parties, 12 political parties supporting RAKESH ticket, trying to destabilize the government, spread rumors, defame and malign the Modi government, and for so many months this Gundism is going on in the helm. It is very sad and very miserable. You will be surprised to know that these people are making camps here and there everywhere in the country, and some of the innocent women are approaching their camp, and then the supporters of this Gunda RAKESH ticket is raping them. Some are coming to the light, and majority of such rape incident is hidden because all women are not daring. You will find that in India there is a democratic government, and in democracy anybody can rise to the supreme power. Charan Singh has risen to the power of the Prime Minister of India, and so many ordinary person who has no background, democratic, set up the government gives him an opportunity. So this RAKESH ticket is disparate. He is very much up and down so that he will be very famous. Already he is rich and he wants to climb to the post of the Prime Minister of India. In democracy, the President, the Prime Ministers, they are much bigger than the monarchs and kings. Look at the Prime Minister and the President. They stay in the palatial buildings, Raj Bhavan, President House. They are much better than the monarchs and kings of the ancient times. RAKESH is disparate. This democratic setup has to be remodeled, and only qualified people should join political parties. We have administrative setup. We have union public service commissions where we are having our administrators, the police officers, the foreign dignitaries. Similar should be the case for the election of these political parties. Otherwise, those who have nothing, whole life they have spent in murder, killing, massacre, they join political party. Who does not know Lallu Yadav, Mulayam Yadav, Mamata Banerjee, and so many Abdullah, criminals, terrorists, murderers, befooling the illiterate, uneducated masses, telling Modi is not giving 15 lakh rupees. And the biggest threat and biggest challenge to the Indian democracy is mushroom growth of this politics and the population explosion. Anybody can produce as many children as they want. And these children are illiterate, uneducated, criminals, terrorists. Citizens of India should be educated. They should be responsible. I conclude this philosophy and thought for you to meditate and contemplate. India is your country, sisters and brothers. India is my country. India is everybody's country. Ask not what the country can do for you. Ask yourself what you can do for your country. Our beloved Mother India. Can we learn something from our great leaders? Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, Chandrasekhar Azad, Lal Bal Pal, Jhansi ki Rani, Tatya Tope, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, Maharana Pratap. They shed their blood for the unity, integrity for the nation, and dedicated their life in the service of their people who believed them and trusted them. Thank you, viewers.